what's going on YouTube? Back here with another pepper review. My name is Aaron, you're watching Cinta Garden. I make do-it-yourself videos and tutorials about gardening because I think there's something about gardening that refreshes the soul. Today, I have a very interesting pepper. This one is called Starscream. This is a James Mallon pepper. I got the seeds from White Hot Peppers, and I grew this one myself. It's a very interesting pepper. I'm going to cut into it, show you what it looks like inside, eat it, and then I'll tell you a little more about it. This is a peach pod. Whoo! It's a gnarly one too. Look at all the ripples and bumps on the outside of it. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and eat it, and I'll attempt to tell you about it. So, here we go. Got some good flavor. Whew. I know it's going to be hot because I know what the pepper is. Oh. Well, feel the heat building. Not as fruity as I wanted it to be, but it's good pepper. All right. Whew. So the Starscream pepper, it's a James Mallon pepper. It's a cross between a Jay's, I believe a Jay's red ghost scorpion and a yellow Carolina Reaper. I don't think this one was that hot. Maybe they get hotter, they probably do. Considering, you know, its heritage, who its parents are. Has a good taste. Not quite as fruity as the peach ghost scorpion, but a good, you know, good peach pod. A bit hot. Again, I thought it would be hotter. Doesn't quite have me sweating, so you know. I haven't done a red ghost scorpion yet. I have eaten the yellow reapers. I grow those too. Maybe I should get my hands on a red ghost scorpion so I can try to compare them. I definitely feel it in my going down in my mouth. It is hot. It's not too bad though. I think your average person could handle it. I mean, I do eat hot peppers, but I think anybody could eat it and handle it pretty good. I think overall it's got a great combination of heat and flavor, so I do like it that way. Yeah, good day for a pepper too. You know, nice and sunny out, warm. It's October and it's warm out. That's kind of crazy. We don't get that very much. You know. Well, anyways, appreciate you watching. That was the Starscream pepper. And thanks for watching Cinta Garden.